That's one of the craziest mods I've ever seen for a Suzuki Smash. Is that thing right there. Ha? Wa. Aba, may winglets sana ulo. Ang ganda. Nako, ihatag ni mo.
Sige, wow. Thank you.
Sige, ilagay ko sa vlog mamaya.
Okay.
Sige.
Sana all. Ganda nga po.
Oh. Ay, nag-vlog din si Kuya, oh.
Bakit?
Napod kay sticker?
Nautan ko.
Nautan? Sige, i-follow na. Ako lang i-follow ka.
Doa.
Ha?
Dapat kay dalawang motor. Okay, thank you. Sabihin mo ito.
Smash Club, no? Sige, ingat. Sige lang. Ha? Oo. Pero modified na kaayo. Thank you, Kuya, ha. Ay, hello, say hi to the vlog. Mamaya ilalagay ko kayo. So, subscribe ka, start ko lang, oh. Yan. No problem. Yan. Okay. Dito pa. Oh. Okay. No problems. Thank you. I'll go up through there and then down the slide. Perfect. This is not going well. Where's that here? Thank you. Hey, hi.
Never listen when you won't listen to me and make the wrong decisions, resisting the help I need. Oh, I know I could have done better. Oh, to keep you next to me. They say to blame it on the weather. Oh, hell no. I could have done better. I could have done better.
The Barangay Balintawak Fiesta just finished like I think 2 days ago, and yeah, the next fiesta is in San Isidro, which is not too far from here, and then after San Isidro, if I'm not mistaken, it's already the main Talibon Fiesta, which is what everyone is waiting for, the main Talibon Fiesta. Ito yun. Ako na nang isod ko, ha. Lamat. Thank you to that guy for being totally awesome. He literally helped us out. Ang bait ni Kuya. Ha? Oo. Pero modified na kaayo. Thank you, Kuya, ha. I'll show you guys what the municipal looks like at Talibon. This thing is gonna be lit, especially on the day of the fiesta. This is gonna be super duper lit. When I say super duper lit, trust me when I say super duper lit. So this is the Talibon Municipal Hall. This place is gonna be super, like, it's gonna be filled with people, especially on the day of the fiesta here in what we call the lungsod. There's gonna be a stage here. There's gonna be a lot of people singing and stuff. So it's a total experience, especially for something like this. Man, look at this place. It looks so freaking awesome. Yeah, yay! I can't wait for it. Super duper excited, man. And here's the church. This is where we go to every single night. Well, not every single night, but a lot of times we go to this church. But ladies and gentlemen, this is my new motorcycle of 2024. Check this out, man. Yo, this thing. Is this sturdy? Nah, I don't, bro. Dude, which is the swings. Ah, I miss the swings, man. Yes! Hi, hello.
Say hi.
Yan ang mga binigyan ko ng mga sticker kanina. Ang dami kong sticker na ibigay. Pero ayun na nga. Ayun na. Ay, hello, say hi to the vlog. Mamaya ilalagay ko kayo. Ayun ano. So, thank you so much sa mga bata na nandyan kanina sa pinakagitna ng plaza. Thank you guys. Thank you so much kasi ano, yung mga katulad ninyo nagbibigay sa akin ng motivation gumawa pa ng mga video. So thank you so much talaga sa inyo. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung sticker na binigay ko. Sorry, medyo hindi ko dinamihan yung pagbigay ng sticker kasi medyo konti-konti na lang dito yung sa akin. Pero ano, subscribe kayo tapos ilalagay ko kayo sa pinaka-intro. Ayun, thank you so much. This is how the AR this is how the AR exhaust looks. Looks like that. Small hole though. That has a way bigger hole than the other one. That's one of the craziest mods I've ever seen for a Suzuki Smash. Is that thing right there. Ha?
Ano yung makatingin eh?
Wa?
Big bike ba no?
Oh, R15. Imuhan eh? Ay, lami apod ah.
Okay yun.
Nako, ihatag ni mo.
Sige, wow. Thank you.
Sige, ilagay ko sa vlog mamaya.
Okay.
Sige. Moto Popsi.
Ito.
Oo, kana.
Ay, sige.
Sige.
Paano na ako?
Sige lang.
Paano na ako?
Oh. Ay, this is nagva-vlog din si Kuya oh. Napod kay sticker?
Naot talaga.
Naot dan? Sige, i-follow na. Ako lang i-follow ka.
Doa.
Ha?
Dapat kay dalawang motor. Okay, thank you. Sabihin mo ito.
Smash Club, no? Sige, ingat.
What do you gotta be nervous for? Do you think she'll run away? What you feeling drowning for? Little I don't wanna say. Time is over, yeah, shut down. When I'm gone, I'm sorry for myself. Out of luck, giving up for something fast. Now I'm not being with you out the side. Can I find my speech? Can I tell the truth? The way to be, I wish I could fast at the moment.